Hello everyone, I am Chaitanya, currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, SEM 3rd SEM, subject Mathematics, subcode BCS 301. My topic is application of probability, application of sampling, theory, application of Anova. Introduction to probability. Probability is the measure of the likelihood that an event will occur. It is expressed as number between 0 and 1, where 0 indicates impossibility and 1 indicates certainty. Understanding probability is essential for making informed decision in uncertain situation. Applications of probability. Probability is widely used in to access risk and forecast market trends. It's play a crucial role in insurance, helping calculating based on risk factors. In healthy care, probability aids is determining the likelihood of disease occurs based on various factors. Introduction to sampling theory. Sampling theory involves selecting a subset of individuals from a population to estimate characteristics of the whole. It helps researchers save the time and resource while optimizing data. Proper understanding of sampling theory is crucial to avoid bias in data collection. Types of sampling method. Random sampling ensures every members of population has an equal chance of being selected. Sampling divided the population into subgroups there and sample from each to maintain diversity. Sampling selects individuals who are inset to through it may introduce bias. Applications of sampling theory. Sampling theory is essentially in market research. Consumers without surveying everyone. It is used in trailer to evaluate the efficiency of new drugs with manageable numbers of participants. Polling or organizing on sampling theory to predict election outcome based on small group of voters. Introduction to Anova. Anova or analysis of various is statistically methods used to test difference between two or more group means. It helps to determine if any of these differences are statistically significant. Anova is crucially is in main scientific fields, including psychology, agriculture, and medicines. Types of ANOVA. ANOVA. One-way ANOVA compares means occurs one independent variable within multiple levels. Two-way ANOVA exempts the interaction between two independent variables on a dependent variables. Repeated measure ANOVA is used when the same subject are measured multiple times. Applications of ANOVA. ANOVA is used in agriculture to evaluate the effect of different fertilizers on crop yield. In psychology, it helps researcher understanding the impacts of variation therapist on patients' outcomes. Business utilize ANOVA to compare sales figures across different regions or marketing strategies. Probability in decision making. Probability aids in evaluating potential outcome and making informed choice. It allows business to access risk and rewards when launching a new product. Understanding probabilities can lead to better strategic planning and resource allocation. Probability in sports analysis. Sport team use probability to evaluate players' performance and make roster decisions. Predict analytics based on probabilities can influence game strategies and operations. Fans and analysts relies on probability to analyze game outcome and betting lines. Sampling and public health. Sampling is crucial in public health to monitor disease in population. It allows for efficient allocations of research in response of occasions camping. Sampling in quantity control. Quantity control process manufacturing often rely of sampling to ensure product standards. Random sample are tests to determine if batch meets quantity specification. This approach minimize waste and reduce inspection cost while maintaining quantity. Anova in experimental research. Anova is fundamental in experimental research designed to analyze treatment effects. It helps researchers avoid types I errors by multiple groups comparison stimulatless. Uses of ANOVA ensure that valid conclusions can be drawn from experimental data. Case study ANOVA in education. ANOVA can be employed to compare student performance occurs across different teaching methods. It helps educators identify which methods help the best students' outcome. Findings can guide development and instructional in schools. Limitations of probability. Probability does not outcome, it only quantifies likelihood. It is essentially to combine probability with other analysis for comprehensive insights. Limitations of sampling theory. Sampling can introduce bias if not conducted properly, affecting the validity of result. Research must be about the sampling method chosen to avoid skewed data. Conclusion. Understanding probability, sampling theory, and ANOVA is virtual across various fields. Further advertisements in a data analysis will likely enhance these applications. Further continuous education and practice in these areas will improve decision making and research outcomes. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share.